In my last video, I talked about how planning ahead doesn't really work for me. And honestly, things were going great. I spent over a week camping in absolutely beautiful weather at Rio Bravo Campground. Electric hookups for $7.50 a night. $7.50. At that price, I probably should have known something was coming. So when the weather started turning cold and rainy, I made the very responsible decision to leave. But first, I thought, hey, why not grab one more night in that back-end site with the beautiful view of the Rio Grande? Now, small detail, I don't actually know how to back up my trailer. Well, it's been a bad morning. I tried to back into a new spot at a different campground, and I do not know how to back this tiny trailer, and I damaged my trailer because I jackknifed it. I don't know what to do about my trailer. I don't know if it damaged it enough to where it will leak, or if I could just put something over it to keep it from leaking, or what. So anyway, bad day for me. Now, I don't want to jump to conclusions, but I did pick up 2 pennies off the ground last week, both heads up. Coincidence or the beginning of a pattern? So I head south towards Fort Sumner Lake, and the wind starts picking up. Not like, oh, it's breezy wind, more like maybe I should update my wheel wind. So I did the smart thing and stopped at Klein's Corners Travel Center. And guess what? RV sites, $37 a night. Honestly, luxury. Overnight, the wind got worse. The van rocked all night long. Red flags warnings across the next 100 miles. That's always a comforting phrase. So I decided to stay another night, because sometimes the best travel plan is not moving at all. Going inside brought back memories of traveling this route with my parents. I remember my sister and I begging them to stop here. I'm pretty sure that never actually happened though. But now, I got to walk around the souvenir shop and finally buy myself a souvenir t-shirt. Inner child healed. And here's something kind of cool. Klein's Corners actually opened back in 1934. So when this place started, there was no Interstate 40. Back then, Route 66 was the road. So travelers crossing the country would have stopped right here, long before the interstate system even existed. Which means people have pulling in here, tired, hungry, slightly confused, for almost 100 years. Honestly, I feel right at home. And then, something unexpected happened. I found a penny in the parking lot. Tails up. Okay, so here's where things get interesting. We've got 2 heads-up pennies, and now 1 tails-up penny. That's a 2-to-1 ratio. I'm not great at math, but I'm pretty sure that means I'm still in danger. Thank you for watching and joining my little bad luck journey. I guess if this video gets posted, you'll know that I didn't get blown away. And hopefully we'll have made it to our next destination, Fort Sumner Lake State Park. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where where the wind